I have been planning this day ever since we met. I first met Morgan almost 4 years ago during my freshman year of college. My roommate at the time, Matt, started talking about this girl he was friends with, Morgan. The one day Matt told me that I should meet her. I told him, maybe sometime. One night, Matt invited Morgan to come hang out in our dorm room. When she walked in, I had this overwhelming attraction towards her. She was incredibly beautiful, super confident, and absolutely hilarious. The next day, she sent me a direct message, and we began talking. And then we began dating. On our first date, we went ice skating, and afterwards we decided to take a walk. During our walk, I randomly decided to take her hand, and we started skipping. To this day, that is where she says she fell in love with me. And that is where I am today, to ask her to be my wife. We have learned so much about each other over the past 4 years, and I am incredibly excited to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you, Morgan.
Good afternoon. It is Saturday, August 15th, 2020. It's a historic day because this is the day that Ben Karpinski will propose to Morgan, or as I like to call her, Morty. I don't know her last name. It doesn't matter. It's going to be Karpinski. Assuming she says yes, and I assume she will. They live together and they have a dog. So it's almost a sure thing. It's in the basket. So I have to be ready to shoot this historic moment and also capture this on video. I'm hoping this goes off without a hitch. So we'll find out. Here we go.